Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to change Deku's color in Heroes Battlegrounds. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here's the specific process that requires VIP status. Here's how to do it. 1. Access settings. Click on the settings icon in the game. 2. Select effect color. Look for the option labeled effect color 3 VIP requirement. Note that changing the effect color requires VIP status, which costs approximately 800 Robux. If you do not have VIP, you will need to purchase it first. 4. Choose your color. Once you have VIP, selecting the effect color option will allow you to use a color wheel or choose from available color rectangles. 5. Apply changes. After selecting your desired color, all abilities and effects for Deku and any other heroes will reflect a new color when used in the game. This process is applicable across platforms including PC and mobile and does not require any external mods or tools. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.